Hi guys, it is Neil here, and either you have or you will shortly receive an EAB email. It'll be from Courtney Bondy, and it'll say something like this: Required EAB Winter Progress Report for Week 2. Remember, for those of you new to EAB, that it is a reporting system that we use to keep track and monitor student progress and determine if there are any issues early that we can kind of jump in and take care of to avoid a bigger issue down the road. And there are instructions in this email, but I thought it might be easier if I just click through and walk you through. And also in this email, I'm going to attach an EAB cheat sheet guide that walks you through these same steps, and then also tells you how to complete an ad hoc report. So, which means anytime you want to, you can report and you're encouraged to. So again, and the more information we add, the better. If you have a concern, if you have any concern, or just err on the side of reporting it. It may not. It may you can even mark it as this is a minor concern, but just something to keep on the radar, or something like that, just to let people know. That you do have a concern about this student, or you just want to keep an eye on this student. So the idea is the more of us that are doing that, the better. All right. So in the email from Courtney, it'll say go to the NLU portal and faculty and staff, and then go down to EAB, and it'll say click here to access the EAB campus, and you log on with your NLU credentials, and there you go. So right here you could say it'll say fill out the progress reports. You click on that, and that's where you can fill in the information. So let me just click on it. And right now, I'm lucky. I don't have any concerns with students. They are these particular students that I'm working with are student teachers. So as you can see, there's a pretty good list there. But I don't have any concerns at this time, so I can mark no. And if I do have a concern, yes, and then I can click the alert reasons. And depending on your students and who you're working with, most likely the UG grad is unless you look at their profile and see that they have another marking, but you generally go with UG grad or the that's in danger of failing, low class participation, multiple class postings, and likely there may be more than one concern if there is a student that you're worried about, but just pick the biggest, most pressing issue to submit. So, all right, guys, thanks.